Okay, everyone, going to show you something that happens sometimes a little weird with animating text in PowerPoint, especially if you have a lot of things going on. So right here you see my text box. I have it a shape fill on the text box. I have word art on my text, so it's not just plain text, it's word art. And so I have this animation on here um, called spin. It's just a modify just to show you this. If I go to effect options, you'll see, I believe by default it sets it up to animate the text by each letter. And watch what happens when I play this. And when I click, it's going to do the shape outline first and then the letters. And you can see the letters are not really spinning very smoothly. They're lagging. And that's just because my computer doesn't have the power to do all that so quickly. And it's just a lot going on. Okay, so it did it, but it looked kind of choppy. So how can you fix that? Well, you can right click over here and go to Effect Options. And then instead of doing each one by letter, which is a lot of animation, do each one by word. And it may not look as great as you want it, but if your computer can't do it, sometimes you have to make a little sacrifice. So if we look at it now, you'll see when I click the fill spins, and then the words spin as well, and I don't really see any lagging going on. So that's an option you can do. Okay, so be careful with text. If it's just a plain text box, if there was no fill on there, and if I didn't use any word art, probably by letter would be okay. But as soon as you start customizing that text box, there's a lot of stuff going on, the computer may lag. So you see how it looks for you. If it looks like it's lagging and it looks a little choppy, then that's one of the things you can adjust on text specifically. You can do it either by letter, which can be a little laggy, by word, which should eliminate it. You can do the whole thing at once, but then it kind of loses its effect. So you can try those three different choices and see which one you like. But avoid the lag because that looks really bad.